Do this quiz. Thanks for meeting with me. I appreciate it.
Yeah, it's good. It's easy that it's just me and you. I guess that's one good thing about
Right? All right.
You're opening up your quiz, right?
Yeah, I'm in my quiz right now.
Okay.
So, you know, one of the questions was if it's right skewed and the number is small, the sample size is small, you can't put it in the normal probability applet. But they didn't really tell you how to solve for it. So I don't know if that'll be something they show us in the future or we just don't have to worry about it.
Yeah,
So if you go to the meeting,
the one
ask that question.
No, we couldn't solve it, right? Because it's not a normal. Yeah, maybe we'll find out how to do the ones that aren't normal. I don't know.
Right. All right. That seems really silly because isn't it just the total of the middle? Right?
I haven't done it yet. Let me just look at it for a sec.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Oh.
I was just pulling up my app. I didn't have it up. The combined area, right?
It's just what you would have if you unclicked both sides and it's the middle. So, right?
My middle is a little bit different.
Is it?
So to the right of 1.358, right? And to the left of negative 1.358, I get 0.1745.
Yeah, so if you subtract that from 1, that would be the area in between.
But if I undo those and click in the middle, I get 0.8255.
Okay, so I think what it's telling us to solve for, so use the normal probability applet to find the combined area under the standard normal curve that is to the right and to the left. So the combined area is going to be just whatever you put on there, right? So the 1.1745.
45?
Right?
Right. Isn't that the distribution of the sample means?
That's what I was thinking. Either that or it couldn't be determined, but that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, I think it is too. I watched the videos, but I didn't read all the homework. So I hope I have it down. But
All right. I always have to pull these up and study my laws again because the wording is so close.
I think it's the law of large numbers. What do you think?
Yeah.
If you look back on the homework for 6,
Yeah, I just always have to look the rules up, and I had to close everything because I had an exam yesterday.
oh,
Yeah, I totally agree with you.
like that's where I can see the answer. It says describes what happens to the spread of the distribution of the sample means when the sample size is large.
Gotcha.
So that's why I think it's that. Do you have a z-score?
Yeah, I got 1.045.
I did too. The same one.
Oh, I gotta sneeze. Oh, excuse me.
I
I
get
got
Z.
0.1480.
That's what I got too.
Ugh. Sorry, I'm off now.
I'm gonna run in the other phone and get other room and get my phone.
Okay.
The calculator. I don't like using this one on the computer.
Oh, no worries.
Okay. Do you have an answer?
Yeah, I got the same as the two above it. Because I got 160 was their mean score. Is that what you got?
Okay, yeah, I got 160 was the mean. So then I did 160 minus the 150.8.
0.8. Yep.
But then I divided it by 8.8 divided by the square root of 5 because we have 5 students.
Oh, shoot. I did not change that.
When I stayed online with our teacher,
Uh-huh.
he said to always use the one with the square root unless you don't have a sample.
Gotcha. Okay, that's what I didn't do.
But I don't know. Yeah, I could be wrong. He just said always use
No,
that.
that's totally right.
And then if you don't have an amount of sample, then you could just leave it off, But I'm thinking.
Right, hold on.
You
So
do?
that means 8.8. So that makes it 2.34 or 2.38 or 2.338.
I got 2.313, so maybe I did something wrong. 8.8 divided by 5 square rooted equals. So just the 8.8 divided by the square root of 5, I get 3.935. What do you get right there?
I just put the whole equation in.
Yeah, you have probably a better calculator than me.
I think, are you using your phone?
Yeah.
Let me see if you can do it on your phone. So if you turn your phone sideways.
Right, that's how I have it.
Oh, I can't. Mine's not doing it now.
I just can't get it to do because you get 9.1 on top, right? Like from your
Yeah.
minus 150, and then I get the 8.8 divided by the square root of 5. And that's from getting the 3.935. Like I can't get it to go all the way from the top.
So I was gonna say the way I just put it in differently in my calculator and it does the whole equation all at once.
And what do you end up?
Shoot. 160 minus 150.8 over 8.8 to the square root of 5. I get 2.33770741.
Okay. So I keep getting 2. I mean, I think they're the same. I think it's just because I can't calculate mine all the way through.
I don't know. Let me see what I get when. So I got 9.1.
Are you the 8.8 divided by the square root of 5?
Do you even have parentheses on yours? Oh, geez.
Oh yeah, I do have parentheses.
So you could put that in too. So you could do 9.1 divided by.
Where do I put the parentheses after the division?
Yeah, 8.8 divided by the square root of 5. Oh.
I am still getting the same answer, 2.313.
Let's see.
Something is different.
Let's try this calculator. 8.8
like maybe I'm not.
Divided by the square root of 5 equals 3.9354796.4.
You know what? 160 minus 150.8 is 9.2, not 9.1.
Maybe that's it.
So I think that might be my problem right there. Was that I was wrong? And
I didn't even catch that.
I think that's what my problem is.
All right, so put that into the normal.
2.337.
8. Oh yeah, but I rounded it up.
So 2.338. Okay, I'm like, there's got to be something wrong somewhere. It was. I can't subtract 160 from 150.
It's all right. So on that one, then that gives you the area of 0.0097.
Wait, where are you? Did you already put in the score?
Yeah.
And then we're moving down.
What?
Okay, so number 8 is just asking for the z-score, right?
Right.
And are you on number 9?
Yeah, that's what I just told you.
I'm sorry, I'm not there yet.
No, it's okay. That's the answer I was telling you for that one, not the. Okay. I know I move on really fast. I apologize.
What is the probability? I'm confused a little bit. What is the probability that the 5 selected will have a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved by the previous problem? So our previous problem mean was what? 0.0148.
I'm assuming that they're talking about problem 8. So if you grabbed 5 more students, would they have, what's the probability that their mean score would be higher than that? So you just look at the probability, or the area.
It's 0.0097.
Right.
Okay. Wait, so do we round that up because we just go to the 3? Oh, round yours to 4 decimal places. So that one's going to be normal.
Right.
There's so many students.
And I'm kind of hung up on the wording on this. I'm not sure what it's asking us to do on the next one.
Okay.
Are we just figuring out a z-score?
Okay, that one is just the mean again, remember? It's the 3.5.
Okay. That's what I thought, but it was just, it was worded enough. It was too wordy for me.
Right.
So then just put in the standard deviation that they told us.
Now this one we have to write out the problem, right? What is the standard
Okay.
deviation? I'm a little.
Yeah, what'd you get?
I'm sorry, it got hung up for a sec.
Yeah,
So
I can't figure it out.
isn't it the 0.7 divided by the square root of 81?
Well, why wouldn't
Because
I don't know.
it's the sample means of our standard deviation. Yeah, it took me a minute too. I had to think about this one. So confusing.
So 0.778.
0.778. Is that what you got?
Yeah, you do 0.7 divided by the square root of 81.
Right, and I got 0.0778, if you round that up. What are we rounding it to? 3 decimal places?
Right.
So
Because it's 0.7 with a line over it, right?
yeah. Okay. Did you get the probability for this one?
0.005 for the first one.
Yeah. 0.005. Yes.
So then you'd subtract that from 1 to get your next answer, right?
Maybe that's the mean. Greater than. Right. So, or can you just highlight everything that's greater?
Right.
What did you get?
0.995.
Yeah, same. Yeah, I'm kind of confused. Like we're just looking for the ones that are extreme from mean.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I just came up with the z-score.
Okay. I was thinking about
And then
drawing,
check the probability, but
you know how you can do those one charts
yeah.
and it's extreme if it's more than two things away from the has extreme or more extreme means that we are not only interested in values that are lower than the ones we observe, other than the mean SRs in the positive direction. Like, are you using the sample mean as the center? Sounds a little bit confusing to me.
So I use the mean as 185.
Well, then why did they give us that sample mean?
I know.
185 plus, let's see.
But if you either way, if you do it either way, if you switch those in the equation, it just goes from negative to positive, so you'll get the same answer. if you're finding the z-score to find the probability,
Mm-hmm. It doesn't matter.
it's the same answer. I got 1.920176176 both times.
Well, see, I'm thinking anything less than 131.6 and anything bigger than 238.4 would be extreme, right? Because I went 2 standard deviations above and 2 standard deviations below. If you use
That's true.
the mean, right? So then if you figured out a z-score maybe for each one of those.
Okay.
Totally doing this wrong. Like, I don't understand it very well.
I know it's not really helpful, is it?
No, it's really hard for me. But
And then what are you taking the 2 standard deviations away from, the 185 or the 177?
yeah, see, that's what I was wondering. This sample mean, find the probability that a random sample of passengers will have the weight that is as extreme or more extreme than was observed in this sample. I don't know. I think you should use the regular one because that's just one sample. They're saying another random sample of passengers, right?
Right.
We might miss this one.
So does that mean you're going to click on both sides? Maybe that's the difference? Because you're wanting to know extremes
Wanting to
above
know
and below.
the two ends, right?
Right.
But I got like a huge, a really large number. Did you?
What'd you get?
For my z-score, I got like 13 point something. So you know that's going to be like 0.
Well, I got, right. So if I just solved, if I put in, oh,
Or I don't know. The other thing that I'm thinking is, you know how there's the 68, 95, 97.7 rule? Is it all the stuff from the 95 to the 97? That would be the only thing left, right? Everything above your 2 deviations away.
hmm. I don't have a clue. I can't even. Honestly, I don't even have a clue.
Different one.
Okay.
I don't either. I really don't.
You know what?
I'm just
Hold
gonna
on.
try theme.
You're just going to do what?
I'm just gonna try one more theme.
I know this is kind of a little tricky, huh?
Yeah, like I don't understand what they're asking me.
I don't either. I'm gonna look on the homework assignment
Yeah, have you
and
done
see if there's anything on there.
Okay, my battery's getting close to running out, so if it cuts us off, I'm sorry. I'm
That's
like,
all right. All right.
I feel like maybe I've seen that question somewhere before. I'll look back through some of my things.
Was it in the video?
Can't remember. I can't remember if it's like on the little quiz we did or test.
Yeah, that's really wonky, huh? I don't see it on anything else.
I really don't know how to answer it.
I don't either. Throw some numbers in there.
Will have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme I guess we could just figure it out for this 177. Is that kind of what you did? And just look and see, like, is that what you did? Is you got a z-score?
That's what I originally did, and I got a z-score of, I'll let you figure it out, see if we come up with the same one.
What I'm doing certainly isn't helping.
You what?
I said what I was trying to do before wasn't working.
No, I totally get what you're doing. So if you did the extremes and then did a z-score for that, so is that what you were trying to do?
Yeah. That's what I was thinking, but I don't think that's the answer. I'm thinking that you were probably doing it right. And it's just anything that's extreme, either above or below that. Right?
Okay.
Above or below. So let me just see what I get here. I got negative 1.92.
Yep.
1. So negative 1.92. Did you round that last thing up to 1?
No, because I got 1.9201. So I just did 1.92.
So if it's below it, you get 0.0274, right? Anything
Right.
above that is 0.9726.
So I just did the left, I just highlighted the left and the right side, and my area was 0.0549 because
Okay.
you're wanting to get everything to the left and to the right,
It's just the extremes, isn't it?
right?
That's about the best thing I can think of to do with this problem. So it's
Right.
confusing to me.
Right. I mean, you bring up some good points though, so I'm not even sure. That's what I did originally.
Either above or below. And if you add those up, yeah, I think that's probably our best. And you
So
got 0, 5,
49. So I
or
rounded up to 0.055.
yeah, yes.
Oh,
I feel slow today. I'm sorry. I
no,
haven't
it's okay.
as much, but yeah, I think that's probably our best solution for that one. So
Man, well, let's see if we got it right.
yeah, if we didn't, I guess I'll have to figure out how to do them or listen.
Yeah, I was gonna say we might have to shoot him an
Tomorrow.
email.
I could always go to his class tomorrow and then write it down for you or something.
Oh, I got question 12 wrong.
We did.
I did.
I haven't submitted mine yet, but I'll submit it. I'm submitting right now.
Did you submit it?
Yes.
12 was the only one I got wrong, so we got that last one right.
Well, right. So I don't know if I put in a different answer than you. I got them all right. Good job on that last one. I was clueless.
Um,
You put on 12. My answer says 0.078.
oh, you know what I did? 0.778. I forgot to put
Oh, you
the
forgot to round
zero
it to
in.
the third one. I'm sorry. Thought we just
Oh,
did.
well, no, I forgot to put the zero in. Is
Oh,
it 0.778?
it's 0.078 because it's supposed
Yeah.
to go to the third decimal place. So just go back and
Yeah.
do it again and add that.
Right. Dang it.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Well, nice thinking on 15. I would have totally missed that without you.
Oh my goodness. That definitely made me think. So anyhow.
Okay.
All right, let's
Well,
stop
I hope
this.
for you and that your Escalante trip goes okay.
Right.
Long
Well,
ways.
thank you.